Om Namo Bhagavate Ramakrishnaya. Letters of Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, onward. I only tell you this, that whoever reads this letter will imbibe my spirit. Have faith, onward. Swami Vivekananda. Letter number 176. Written to Swami Brahmanandaji from Srinagar on 17th July 1898. My dear Rakhal, I got all the news from your letter. My opinion regarding what you have written about Sarada is only that it's difficult to make a magazine in Bengali paying. But if all of you together canvass subscribers from door to door, it may be possible. In this matter, do as you all decide. Poor Sharda has already been disappointed once. What harm is there if we lose 1,000 rupees by supporting such an unselfish and very hard-working person? What about the printing of Raja Yoga? As a last resort, you may give it to Upen on certain terms of sharing the profits in the sales. About money matters, the advice given previously is final. Henceforward, do what you consider best regarding expenditure and other things. I see very well that my policy is wrong and yours is correct regarding helping others. That is to say, if you help with money too much at a time, people, instead of feeling grateful, remark on the contrary that they have got a simpleton to bank upon. I always lost sight of the demoralizing influence of charity on the receiver. Secondly, we have no right to deviate even slightly from the purposes for which we collect the donations. Mrs. Bull will get her rosary all right if you send it care of Chief Justice Rishibar Mukhopadhyaya, Kashmir. Mr. Mitra and the Chief Justice are taking every care of them. We could not get a plot of ground in Kashmir yet, but there is a chance that we shall do so soon. If you can spend a winter here, you are sure to recoup your health. If the house is a good one, and if you have enough fuel and warm clothing, then life in a land of snow is nothing but enjoyable. Also, for stomach troubles, a cold climate is an unfailing remedy. Bring Yogin with you. For the earth here is not stony, it is clay like that of Bengal. If the paper is brought out in Almora, footnote, Prabuddha Bharata, whose editor Rajam Iyer of Madras had died. If the paper is brought out in Almora, the work will progress much, for poor Saviour will have something to do, and the local people also will get some work. Skillful management lies in giving every man work after his own heart. By all the means in our power, the Nivedita Girls' School in Calcutta should be put on a firm footing. To bring Master Mahashay to Kashmir is still a far cry, for it will be long before a college is established here. But he has written that it is possible to start a college in Calcutta with him as the principal at an initial expense of 1,000 rupees. I hear that you also favor this proposal. In this matter, do what you all consider best. My health is all right. I have to get up seldom at night, even though I take twice a day rice and potatoes, sugar, or whatever I get. Medicine is useless. It has no action on the system of a knower of Brahman. Everything will be digested. Don't be afraid. The ladies are doing well and they send you their greetings. 2 letters from Shivananda have come. Have also received a letter from his Australian disciple. I hear that the outbreak of plague in Calcutta has completely subsided. Yours affectionately, Vivekananda. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Ram Krishnarpanamastu.